Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to make interpolation in the ArcMap software. So this is my groundwater table map that I made in the ArcMap by using interpolation IDW technique. So let's open the ArcMap software. So for this, first you have to make the Excel file of for your data points. So this is my Excel file that I made here. It is the place and latitude and longitude and the groundwater table depth according to that place. Okay, so at each place I have the latitude and longitude and the depth in meter that we have to interpolate. So first thing you keep in mind that this latitude and longitude you keep in the decimal point. Okay, so if you do not have data in the decimal points, if you have data in the degree, minute, second, so you convert it into the decimal point and you save this Excel file in the CSV file. Okay, convert it in the .csv file and save it. So this is how you have to make your data file. Okay, so let's cut it. Now go to the ArcMap software and add your study area, save file of your study area. So go to the add data and click on add data. Then open your save file of your study area. So this is my save file of the study area. So let's click it and add it. Now we got our save file here. Now go to this point and double click it. So when you double click it, go to the fill color and you can do it as a no color or you can do it hollow. Okay, so place it hollow and go to the outline width and increase some outline width of this outline area. So keep it 2 and outline color you keep it black. Okay, now click on the OK. So you will get like this, or this is your study area. Now you have to add the various points that I have shown in your Excel file. So go to this point and then add data and add your data file that you have saved in the CSV file. Okay, so this is my groundwater table CSV file. You can see here this file has come here. Now right click to this point and go to the data and export it. Click OK. Yes. And you will get this export output number something. Now go to this export output and right click here and go to the display XY data. When you click the display XY data, you can see here the X field showing longitude, Y field showing latitude and Z field showing none. So you have to add what you want to interpolate, that point you have to add in the Z field. So click it here and go to the groundwater table meter that we are going to interpolate. Now geographic coordinate system you have to add. If it is showing none, then you have to add the same geographic coordinate system as per your save file of your study area. You can click here edit and you can add from here. There are various coordinate systems are given here, you can see. So I have made my save file according to WGS 1984. So I am going to add the same. Click OK. So you can see here the points that I have added through my data points. It is showing here according to their latitude and longitude. So for each point I have groundwater table, but you can see some empty points here, empty place here. For that we do not have any data. Okay, so to fill this data we have to do the interpolation. So that will average estimate the depth of our groundwater, these empty points, because for these points that it is showing here, we have this data. Okay, we have groundwater table depth, but for these empty points we do not have. So to fill these points, we have to interpolate our data, right? Now for interpolation, you have to go geoprocessing, click it, and go to the ARC toolbox. Click it here also. Now go to the spatial analyst tool and go to the interpolation. It is showing here. So there are various methods of interpolation you can adopt. Okay. So right now I am going to use the IDW technique. So click here, double click. Now this file will open. Now input point feature. Okay. So in input point feature, you will add your data, input data that you have added here, exported. Click here. So this, they have added this. In Z value field, you add your groundwater table depth that you have to interpolate. Okay. So this groundwater table in meter I have added here. So keep everything okay. Go to the environments. Now you add the processing in extent. Click here. And this is, they have asking about the in which area you want to interpolate. Okay. So click here and go to the same as layer new save file, that save file you have added as your study area, right? So click here. So this is the latitude, maximum latitude and longitude it is showing to you. So keep it same. Go to the raster analysis. Click to the raster analysis and mask. So in which area maximum you want to cover for your interpolation, you have to select here. So in this also we are going to select the new save file, the save file of your study area. Okay, right? Click OK and OK. So this will take some time to interpolate. Wait. So the data they have interpolated right now. Cut it. So you can see here all the empty places they have estimated from groundwater table according to their interpolation techniques. Okay. So there may be some variation when you choose some different methods of the interpolation. So you can see here they have interpolated, and the depth variation they have shown here according to their color variation. Okay. So let's disable these points. Now you can see here it is showing the color wise the groundwater table according to the depth variation. Okay. So it is taking 0 to 1.2, 1.2 to 2.4. Like it is showing you the 1.2 meter difference automatically. You can change this difference and the color also. So go to the IDW save file here and right click here and go to the properties. So when you come here, go to the classify and you can change it from this point, classification method. Okay. So you can choose anything. So equal interval, or you can choose the defined interval. So I want my data with the variation of the 2 meter groundwater table depth. Okay. So I will define that data. So I am going to choose the defined interval and we'll choose the interval size as a 2 meter, right? So go to the OK. So now you can see here it is showing the depth of the water table with the range of 0 to 2 meter, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10 and 10 to 12. Okay. So you can choose this color also. You can change this color according to this like. So select anything. You can change this color manually also for each range from this by double clicking here. Keep it like that. So apply. Click it OK. So now you can see they have interpolated the data of the groundwater table for each point of this study area, right? So this is how you interpolate your data in the ArcMap. So hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you very much, friends.